Hey, what's up guys? Got another install video for you guys. So today we're going to install a new Ford Performance catch can that I got for the Shelby that was given to me for Christmas, so thank you to my girlfriend. But it is the passenger side catch can, and we're going to go ahead and get it installed. Alright, so in the box we got the catch can itself with a couple of push pins and 2 pieces of tubing for the catch can, which will be replaced with some tubing over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out the instructions and figure out how to put this thing together. Okay, so the first hose we are going to remove is this black one right here that's coming out of the valve cover and going into right here. You're gonna go ahead and pull a twist, a little clamp. Let me find this other one. Let me actually just pull this one out. Hopefully it's not a bunch of oil. There's that one, that one's free. Then, let's see. Rotate this one. Ah, there it goes. If I could. I need to push it up. Ah, that one's quite hard to push out. Need to push it up. Here, let me go get a screwdriver. Alright, so what I ended up having to do is go ahead and little black piece, use the flathead, push it out, turn it to get it out. It was a pain to get out, but I got it out. Now I already started mocking up where I'm going to be putting the or well, not mocking up, but already getting the oil air separator catch can put in place. There was a little wire here that was connected to one of the holes that I used, so I just went ahead and I'm going to use that to secure it back into the hole right here. There's this one right here, and this one underneath the wire right there. So I'm going to go ahead and secure that down and go ahead and attach the other tubing. Alright, so there we go. We just connected this bendy tube right here to the valve right there, hooked it up to the catch can, then hooked this one up to the catch can and the valve cover, and that's about it. Alright guys, so that'll do it for today's install. It's pretty simple. Just unclip a couple of hoses and clip it back in, and yeah, that's about it.